welcome back to another video. And today's video I will show you how to design eye-catching business card in Canva. It's very simple. First you have to go to the canva.com. Okay, let me just log in. Wait a minute. So this is the interface. You can create on you can select on create a design, or you can just search here business card. USINEWS business CRD card. You can go with custom one, or maybe you can go with template, Canva templates, right? So as you can see, there are a lot of design in Canva. Let's click here. Let's choose it. Customize. So click here, customize the template. Now you can change everything here, your number, email, website, and other sites. So this is the front page. You can select back page also, or if you don't like this design, if you want to use your own design, you can do it, no problem. Just go to the element section, and here you will find a lot of shapes and so many things. You can use it. But if you are not pro at Canva, you want a design or you want a business card, you can go with these free templates. Here here you can see that a lot of Canva templates is existing, so you can click one of them. So you can change the design and create your own business card. It's very easy, right? And if you want to download it, then go to the share option here and then click on download, and then select print version, PDF print version, and then just click on download. So your business card is ready. So if you want to work for your client, please don't copy all the things. Just change something, let's say maybe shape or color, anything you can change. Okay, so this is how you can create business card in Canva.